Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Paint and preparing the workspace so you can work efficiently. First, launch Paint from Start or Search, then immediately set the canvas size to the pixel dimensions you need. This prevents later distortion. Once done, pick a background color or leave it transparent if you plan to export PNG. Make sure to save a copy quickly with Save as so you preserve the original. This avoids accidental overwrites and keeps your workflow reversible. You now create and refine your artwork by combining sketching and corrective tools. Use the pencil or brush tool to lay down lines, changing brush size for detail versus broad strokes. Then fill enclosed areas with the fill bucket to lock in flat color. If paint leaks, zoom in and erase stray pixels with the eraser. Once shapes are in place, you select to move items or crop to tighten composition. These steps let you iterate quickly and maintain clean edges. You finish by exporting and checking for final issues so your image is ready to use. Save as PNG for transparency or JPEG for smaller files, and verify file name and folder before closing. If you make a mistake, use Ctrl+Z to undo and Ctrl+Y to redo until it looks right. If edges appear jagged, zoom in and smooth them with a smaller brush or redraw the line. This quick tip fixes common artifacts without restarting the whole.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.